Oh. Hi.
You lost me $15. You good?
At the indestructible audit, what is this supposed to be able to do?
I guess it's still able to do that. Would you like my hand?
Yes.
Oh, alright.
Thanks.
That wasn't a proposal, to be clear.
Oh.
Oh, there's a baby! Oh, the baby's here. Oh, where'd he go? Did I throw him down the hole?
Yeah, you threw him down the hole.
Oh, shit. Oh, you can go down there.
Yeah.
Oh, the baby's stuck in the... Oh, there goes Basil. Oh, dear. Now, who can get this?
I
Oh!
don't think I can get out.
Sorry, is this yours?
Oh. Oh.
No, piss off. Oh, there's a bow tie. No.
Fuck
no.
off.
Oh.
Oh! Are you okay? Do you need parental supervision?
Yes.
Oh, well, that can't be me. The baby wasn't gonna smack it
Oh
again.
my god.
Are you okay? Oh. Should I shoot this one?
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't do...
God. Ow.
Oh.
Ow.
Oh, I overcharged or something. I'm out of guns.
Ow.
Oh my god. Oh, there's another clown and a baby.
Oh my god.
Oh, you... Oh! Oh, that's not fair. I'm fucked. Oh! I have 1 health. I'm dead. I'm done. I'm done for! Ah! Guys, there's no winning this. What do you mean there's a robe? Oh, okay. Woof, am I right? Welcome back. Here's your gun. Another... Is he not...
Get fucked. No, I don't think so. Jesus.
Oh, the extraction's in there. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh,
Jesus
not,
Christ.
not the unicorn. Oh my god. Oh, sigh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it can go upstairs?
It sure can.
Oh,
No.
no, why? I can't, I'm stuck.
Oh, there's no hope for me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Please get in. Oh. There you go. Nope. Ah, fuck. Stay up. How much is even in this? Certainly not enough. Okay, I'm taking your heads out. There it was. No. Fuck. Shit. No, not the baby. Go away. Do I have enough? Oh. Oh, I was $1 off 420. Instead we have 421. Except. Ooh, whoa, 3 items up here. No, go away. Ah. Someone open the door. Ow, my item. Whoa. Bruh.
Whoa!
Oh, it went in.
Fell in the cart, yeah.
Whoa, who's screaming?
Calm down.
No,
Shit.
you didn't make it again. Oh, I think he's coming back. Oh, no.
No. I was gonna grab him.
We don't have enough strength, I don't think.
Hey guys.
Oh. Oh, no.
Hey.
Oh, there they go again. Empty. 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 Wow, this place is empty like my fucking soul. Jesus Christ. It's not a single thing. Wow, not a single threat except the spewer, huh?
Hidden.
Oh, and the hidden, I guess. Anyway.
He's a threat because he breathes like that in my ears and I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it when somebody heavily breathes in your ear?
No.
Oh, I see.
He's like too excited or something. He needs to calm down.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, you've been spewered.
I have.
Do you want to mine?
I'll try mine.
Okay.
Do you mind?
Do you mine craft?
Whoa! Whoa! I saw a hate crime. During prize?
That's crazy. I can't believe you would do that to me, Sai. I thought we were
It
in
was a
sync and
lock
everything.
tap.
It was
a lock tap.
it was
Oh,
out of
wait,
nowhere.
Hold on. Hold on.
Can't
Hold on. Hold on.